If you are looking for a skill that you can learn fast and then start earning money online, then this video is for you. Welcome to another video of my channel where I am teaching you how to be a QA and how to start selling QA services online. It's manual or automation. So we will start with the manual testing first. In my previous video, I have explained what is manual testing and how we can earn money using the manual testing skill. Now I am starting this short course of around 4 to 5 videos, short videos, in which I will explain what is the manual testing. We will practically do the usability testing. What is usability testing? Then at the end of each video, I will I will do the practical testing in the video, and you will be able to see how we can do that type of manual testing. So I will explain what is usability testing. Then we will test a website for usability. Then I will explain what is UI and UX testing. And then I will record a video in which I will show you how you can do the UI and UX testing practically. In the third video, we will have a functional testing where I will be doing the functional testing of a website, and you will be able to learn how to actually do the functional testing of a website. In the next video, we will do the responsiveness testing, and that's all about the manual testing, which you need to start your career in manual testing. This is the beginner friendly short course created by you if you are a student, if you don't want to code yet, if you are learning the code, but if you want to start the career as QA, then this is perfect time to start. Many people are already earning millions of dollars as a QA by selling their services. You will get to that point later, but at the start, you can have the basic knowledge, basic skill of manual testing, and this short course is totally for you. In this series, I will explain each and everything in a very short time. You will be able to learn the manual testing and start selling the services online. If you are serious about learning the skill and you actually want to earn money online as a student, as a starter, or if you are entering in IT industry, then by the end of this series, you will be able to start selling your services on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or any other platform, and you will be able to get the clients. I will show you step-by-step guide to everyone. Let's jump to our first video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to be a QA, if you want to start your career as a QA, if you are already a QA but you want to improve the skills. So this channel is for you.